Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Can you hear me? Can you see me?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, why is my VTube Studio not working?
Yes.
You guys are scamming free wrinkles, dude.
Yippee!
Don't ask me what happened. Don't ask me what happened.
Say jam hasagi shoom licking honk shoom mimimimi.
No, I didn't click the wrong button.
What?
The Ethernet unplugged itself. My Ethernet cable is super loose, okay? And then, like, I was... this is why I don't move my standing desk during stream, because this kind of shit happens. Whoopsies! I'm sorry! Okay. Did the stream fully restart? Or was it just... no clip on the table? No. Oh, there's ads. Frick ads. It fully restarted.
Yes.
No! Fuck!
Yes.
Well.
Yes.
Didn't even say Doom. What the hell was that? Wait, what the hell? Is it just like, I feel like, is it trying to pick up on my freaking,
What?
Okay, there were ads soon-ish.
Why you break internet?
Anyway, you detected your skill issue? No! We have to run ads. Fuck! Okay, we're gonna run ads real quick. Oh, I'm sorry! One more time, last time. You guys ready?
And now, it's time for a moment you've been waiting for.
Did these, dude? Look at that! Holy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh yeah! Can I buy this piece? What the fuck?
Fireball! You can't win this, Mimi. I'm a
Fireball.
level 500 warlock.
Can you guys promise that you won't judge me for what I say? I'm very broke and I could use all of the scraps.
Maybe. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Maybe. Yes.
Ooh, ooh, notice this bulge! Is that a dragon in your pocket or are you just happy to see me? Thank you. Big lovers. Big lovers.
I cast magical soup. I cast mini. Boom, boom. I'm a level 40 wizard. You think that you can step to me? You can't step to me. Look at my Twix. Look at my freaking Twix, dude. Look at my Twix. You can't step to me. Magical soup.
Stop.
Hey,
Come out here and fight, Shimi. It's between me and Minnie. Freeze.
fireball.
Okay, you know what? I'll come back later. Okay, you gotta capture this. Oh, you're so not a passenger, princess. Okay, you are. Never mind, I take it back.
Hi Shumimi, it is
Hi,
that one
Annabelle.
bozo that saw you trying to use that bot in the PXLS server. Just to let you know, pickle is just a silly funny way to say pixel. Thought I'd let you know
Oh my god, thank you. Thank you. Reno Bell, I want you to know. Okay. Oh my god. Let me, okay, a lot happened since the last stream, and let me explain the pixel art success. I was gonna say fiasco, only because I unknowingly took on a crazy amount of project at work, and Shoe Minions really bailed me out of that one. It's really bailing me out of that one.
Fireball! 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 Magical soup! Magical soup! Magical soup! Magical soup! Okay.
Oh, they said Bo check offline chat.
Stop! Leave him alone!
Yeah.
Hangshumi.
They're telling you to check offline chat, Bo.
I said not me. You It just says XDX.
Hello, a shoebotomy, of course. Mwah, for you, Rizeppa. Hi. I'm sorry for the tech stuff. I'm sad. I'm sad. I'm very sad. Just kidding, I'm good now.
Oh, how time flies, Ashums. It feels like just yesterday you were a random streamer I stumbled upon and decided to just watch on a whim. And here we are now, with you as my Kamiyoshi. Here's to many, many more months.
Rudra,
What the hell
heck?
happened? I went to a meeting and now we get to stream. In this economy? Wow.
After I made my standing desk back into a sitting desk, it unplugged the Ethernet. Rudra's so sweet. Thank you for the resub. Thank you. Oh my gosh, 14 months. Here's to many more. I'm Yuki. This is you. Mwah. Tars. Thank you. So sweet. All right. Well, it's kind of like today's a second stream. Hakak Shumimi here again. Thank you for the head pat. Hi, Pukersta. We didn't get a raffle last stream. You guys. Well, technically, the Sulkeon getting VIP, but already having VIP supersedes it. Hi, Gold Stand. But we can do a raffle today.
Terry's more submissions for Shartober BTW really innocent.
This stream is so fun. Oh, thank you, Blitz Art. So sweet. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. The one before this start. No! Stop that. Stop that. Complete start giveaway. If you're wondering what the giveaway is, it's a 10-minute timeout. You get to be in this spot, this jar at the bottom left corner. That's what you get. My chat is frozen. Let me just refresh it. Oh, no, it wasn't frozen. That's what you get, okay? You get to be timed out in this jar, and then you get to sit there for the rest of the stream. You miss my singing? Aw. I think the VOD, I have the actual backing for this sound. Because I forget that I can, like, turn it on and off on my own. Yeah. So, do not worry. You can watch the VOD if you want. No worries, though. Haha. I saw it.
The stream's so nice she started it twice XDX.
A name so nice, you say it twice. Moto. I think Moto likes you. Here he comes. Wah, 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 wah. Hey, girl. Hi, E.T. Hello, welcome. I have to stop saying hello because I've... This was the first song you guys managed to get into the queue. We're not doing another high scam. We did all the high scams already, okay? Hi, Sirius. Have you considered a jogging stream? She meant in Zed walks. A jogging stream? I feel like...
Hi.
I guess, like, my walking pad, I can turn it up. I'm just a little... Because it's not like an actual... Unlike an actual treadmill, it doesn't have, like, a safety. You never said hi to me, did I not? Hi, Zutek. Unless you lied to me. If you lied to me, I will remember this. Hi, Moro! And I won't say hi to you next time.
Hi.
I did say hello to you, Cornelian. I did!
Hi.
I remembered. I didn't. I wasn't at the start of the stream.
Hi.
Oh, okay. Hi. Hi, Miuzu. Hi, Crockblade. I actually don't think I said hello to you guys. Hi. Hi. A lot of you are little menaces. You said hi to me 2 times? What the heck?
Hi.
What the heck? Shimimi hates me so much she won't say hi. I did say hi to you, I think. I think you have 2.5 minutes to get into this timeout giveaway. If you're wondering, how do you do that? You type !jar. !jar. Hi, Beacon. Yep, that's how you join the giveaway. Shumi won't remember this. Exactly. Gotta go. Have a good stream. Thank you, Moro. Bye, Moro. Thank you for hanging out. I appreciate it. Good night, good night.
Good night.
Hi, Beatrice. Hi, C-Note.
Good night.
Thank you for the lurk, Moro. Good night. Hi, Leguan. Weather's real gloomy from where I am. Hopefully everybody's weather's better than mine.
Good night.
Yeah, my weather is it's really, really sunny. Hi, Emoji Ducks. And where we live, in terms of like we're in our building, I did say hello to you, Cora, remember. In terms of like where we are positioned in our building, it's very, very hot. The sun just comes in through the window, and it's nice getting a lot of sun, but then it just heats up everything. Heats up everything. What does getting jarred do? You get a 10-minute timeout, and then you just get to sit in the jar for the rest of the time. So, if that brings you joy, then
Huh?
for gold. Hammurabi's code. Hammurabi's code. Hammurabi's code. You got 1 more minute to join the giveaway. No flaws. Hammurabi was chosen by the gods. Chosen by the gods. What? Oh. There's the jar. Can you rap singing wise? Kind of. Like, kind of. Not very well. Hey, Andreas, hello. If I win, can I request to have a buddy in the jar? No. Harry Chappie, can you do Rap God? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There's one part I know. Where is it? It starts with some. It's the some. Oh. Okay. Some of them do I love you, some I'm a human, what I gotta do to get it through. I'm superhuman, innovative, made of rubber so that anything you say is ricocheting off of me and a glue to you and demonstrating more than ever, demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a feeling like it's levitating, never fading, and I know the haters are forever waiting for the day that they could say I fell off, they'll be celebrating, because I know the way they get them motivated. I made elevator music, you made elevator music. What? Oh, you do my stream. That's the most I'll do. And it's not very good. Okay, jar giveaway time. Pick winner. Are you ready? Boom! The winner is I Be Trash! Congratulations. I'm gonna put you into the jar now. I said I'm gonna... Oh, wait, no. Wait. Jar on. And then... Yeah, there you go. Congratulations, I Be Trash. Hi, Peppers. They built me wrong. Congratulations. Now, if you're wondering, what else do you get other than being right there in the jar? We are going to time you out. Devstream to automate the jar. Ooh. The thing is, I thought about it. I thought about doing that, but a little hiccup I had with that was that I had to... I couldn't connect it to Streamlabs. Oh, wait, I didn't ask for... Wait, I'm sorry, I Be Trash. I untimed you out. I Be Trash, do you have any last words before I time you out? I didn't ask if they had any last words. I just timed them out. I'm a monster. I just straight up, boop, gone. Great last words. Oh, they said 07. So funny. Okay. Maybe it's in my blood, in my zeros and ones. A shoe bought me, of course. Mwah. There you go for you, Gafufu. You guys gave me the idea before. You guys were like, what if that was the last word? And I'm like, that's kind of funny, actually. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna be mean next time. Alright. So here is how this is going to work. I'm going to show you Streamerbot once again. Let me open up my display cap. Unfortunately, you have to add it as a display capture, which kind of is annoying. Well, we discovered that we're good enough. Maybe it's a feature, not a bug. She's so mean.
Hi,
Yeah.
Shumimi, I think you are pretty cool, okay?
Thank you! Oh my god! I forgot it was on that screen. I forgot it was on that screen. Sorry. My bad. It won't happen again. Alright. Hello, Crayon! Hello, Blueberry Cyborg. Welcome on in, welcome on in. Okay, so
Stupid.
last... I'm not stupid. Do it again. I'm not going to. I'm not going to. It's too much to look at. I worry that it's gonna absolutely tank my freaking bitrate. What should minions see when they start mitosis? Wait, that's so cute. Okay, so as you remember, last time this is what we worked on. Doom. But there's something that's buggy with it, because it's supposed to turn me into Doomimi, and I don't understand why it's not. So I think maybe it like... What if we put it above here? Doom. Okay, well, I think the problem is probably just, okay, the problem, I think, is just that the delay is... This is too... the delay is not long enough. Doom. Like, what is that? What's happening? What's happening? I think VTube Studio is... It's probably taking a while to get to VTube Studio for it to actually do the thing. So, what if I did this? OG models overlaying Doomimi. Why did it do that? Back from midterm? How did it go? Doom.
Hi.
It's not working.
Hi. Hi.
You think fine? Okay, cool. Yay! I mean, we could do this. We could put this, like...
Hi.
If we did this... Doom. Like, why does it do it so quick? Why does it do that?
Yes, we are the best.
Hi, Cupid. Hi, Swamp Pups. I like your raid message. Cupid is not Stas's kid.
Hi.
For context, we had a confession stream, and then a shoe minion said that they went to open sauce, and they saw what they originally thought was a nice young dad with his child, and then realized that's Stas and Cupid. Cupid is not Stas's kid, guys. don't forget. Make sure I never be seen with Cupid in public again.
Hi.
That's so funny. Hi, Raiders. Welcome on in. Welcome on in. Hi, I'm Shumimi. I'm a brain in a jar.
Your
I like to sing.
sub-anniversary goes almost as hard as this raid.
Momster, thank you for the resub. Oh my gosh, thank you for the 2 months. I'm making you. This is you. Mwah. Toys.
Doom is coming, I guess. Also, I cannot believe someone finally escapes the fence, and it's someone who is VIP. The audacity. One day, I will escape.
That's true. Hi, I'm Shimimi. I like to sing. I like to play games. Earlier, we were singing musicals, and I love it so much, but I don't want to destroy my voice. And I wanted to kind of yap a little bit, so we're doing an impromptu, like, quote-unquote dev stream with Streamerbot. So we're just trying to make something cool. Right now, we're trying to fix something that we made last time. So if I say the word Doom, like, succinctly and clearly, it should do something cool. Doom. It's not working how I want it to work, you know? So we're trying to fix that right now. I think if I move this back, it'll be cooler. I'll do it again. Doom. Doom. Oh, weird. It almost does it right. It almost does it right. Yeah. But that's what we're trying to do right now. Yippee! A raid video, of course! I'm gonna pause this family-friendly CPR. Yeah, I'm pausing this family-friendly version of CPR. Okay? Just in case you were wondering if it wasn't a family-friendly version. That's a family-friendly version of CPR. And then I will show you our little raid video. If you have to raid and run Cupid and also the Swamp Pups, please feel free to do so. But if you want to stick around, we will be making silly little dev things. Hello, McCoffee, hello! Is the singing over? We might do a little bit more at the end, depending on how I'm feeling. I just want to take a little break so I can kind of recover just a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Yippee! Thank you for the raid. I appreciate it very much. I hope you had a lovely stream. Mwah! Can you name a country for an edit? I think Shumopolis is pretty good.
Okay.
Shadow waves keep crashing, the ops stay yapping, the K keep clapping, yeah we mainstream trapping, but the Audi man's rocking, the rings like satin, think we took too much and tingles.
Oh, this money ain't the same, my heart frozen.
Funny how it changed, now I'm love trying to
Put the gun away, na-na-na-na-na, from the bottom, yeah. The bottom 3, yeah. Actually, I was part of a cover for the bottom 3, which is pretty cool. So I was Sandy the Sandy these. Wait, was it Sandy these cheeks, or is it Sandy the Stallion? Just straight up. No, Sandy the Squirrel. That's what it was. Yeah, I was Sandy the Squirrel. All right, back to friendly CPR. Okay, I wanted to say the video, you know, it looks like I don't know many
Hi
countries.
Shumimi,
I thought they
I have a
meant come up
great
with a new
idea.
one.
Shoe minions are kinda like bugs.
Oh?
And we are kinda like coding.
not really.
So maybe we should be called code bugs.
I feel like that's taken.
Would be neat if that video was retuned to have the audio be your gang's cover.
Oh, shit, that's my YouTube studio. Oh, it's okay if you look at that. Well, actually, I was born in Texas, so technically I am Texan. So that is accurate. Yeah. Sounds like an original idea. I don't know. The video was not created by me. It was created by Iliano. Iliano cooked. Absolutely cooked. So, yeah. Shumimi Cheeks is a real character. What? You're Texan M. Kuron. Hi. Okay, you know what this is? Okay, so for the model, for the hotkey, I'm triggering the same hotkey, but what if instead... So instead, I'm like turning Doomini on and off. Oh! Wait, I think I know the problem. Hold on. Wait, I think I might know the problem. I need to hide just in case. I don't know what's in VTube Studio. There's like an option in VTube Studio where you can like keep it on, keep some toggle on only for like a couple of seconds.
A VTuber.
So let me see if that's something I have on. I think I can show you this. I think this is safe to show. Oh no, it doesn't show that.
Hey
What the heck?
Shumimi, are you familiar with the concept of a sin eater? It was someone who would consume a ritual meal in order to take on and then repent for the sins of a deceased individual.
Oh.
In that same vein, we should appoint a ritual sin showerer to clean the basement since you seem unwilling to bathe on your own.
I bathe all the time. Stop that. Hi, Auntie Sky. Doom. Doom. It's not working. What if I delete this one? Doom. Am I actually turning into Doomimi? I can't tell. Oh! Huh?
Oh.
You're turning into Doomimi and then being overlayered with normal. Doom. Doom.
I came here to a boom, everything was red and Shumimi turned into Doomimi, then it's just Oabi and red again.
It only does Doomimi after it ends. Doom. What the hell is happening, dude? Are the delays consecutive or concurrent? I think they should happen consecutively, right? Because it's like we have the music is hidden, and then it triggers hotkey, and then for Doomimi. And it should work. Yeah, I'll do model change first. Doom. What the hell? Also, the hotkey... Wait, okay. It's okay to show this, by the way. If you're wondering if it's not okay, it's okay. Okay, so this is Doomimi. It says fade for 0.5 seconds, but I don't think this means that it goes away after. What if I get rid of it? Nope, that's just the hotkey setting. Sorry, I flashbang you. Ah, flashbang! Doomimi eyes. Stop at the 10 seconds. That's also, okay. What the heck is happening? Sorry. Maybe it's a match where it twice and Doomimi is the only toggle. But I literally got rid of it. I got rid of it, and so I don't know what's happening. Doom. Oh, I forgot I was cutting off your music. I'm sorry. I just keep cutting off your song over and over again. I'll play it again.
Ding dong.
Ding dong, it doesn't work. I know.
Ding dong. Ding dong. Wah.
Okay, what if I disable everything?
Ding dong.
If I
Wah.
disable
That was a bozo.
these. Na, 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 na. Don't call me an Elzer Bozo. You're an Elzer Bozo. Doom.
Ding dong.
I know the problem! Guys, you're not gonna believe this. I have two things. That's why it's not working.
3 whole months pops.
Stupid.
Alan, thank you for the resub. Thank you, thank you. Oh, 3 months. Thank you. I'm making you. This is you. Mwah. Toys. Guys, I'm stupid. It literally was working perfectly fine. It's because I had two. It's because I had two going on.
Stupid.
It actually says gullible. No, it doesn't. I'm just oopid. I'm just oopid. Okay, wait, then everything was perfect before and I didn't have to change it. Ugh.
I was about to say maybe it's triggering it twice, Lamau.
Oh. Yeah, that's why I turn it on and off again. Do me eyes. Do me eyes. Yep. Da, 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 da. Okay. I'm gonna wait till the song's over because I cut it off so much. Sorry, I'm done. Da, 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 da. I love this song. More human. Yeah, so if you're wondering why there's Doomimi eyes, it's because the difference between Doomimi and Shimimi are not only the colors, it's also the eyes. It's what gives her that dead look. It's what gives her that dead look in her face. Did you clone it to test chat being able to trigger from TDS? Yes. I did. And then I forgot to do anything with it. And the cool factor. Yeah, exactly. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Is this the same with our test wrinkles? What do you mean, sorry, for the test wrinkles? Oh, what do you mean? Like if you do exclamation point wrinkles? It's just because I have this as... Oh, no, I think I disabled this. No, I disabled it. Hi, newspaper. Hi, Booster. Okay, Doom. Doom. I put it on the wrong spot.
Let's go.
Doom.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yay!
Hi, Smelly. Let's go.
Okay, we fixed it. Yay!
Let's go.
Thank you. Thank you. Test wrinkle redeem still exists. I know it exists. I haven't deleted it yet. I'm just trying to. I can delete it if you want. Why am I so far behind? Twitch being ooped. It's probably me. Maybe try refreshing Vistic because my stream like ended and then it reopened. It might be a bit behind. You want your test wrinkles? Leave it there to tempt them? You know what? You're so right.
May we look at Shartober now, Shumshai?
Oh! Yeah, we can look at some Shartober. Real quick. Real quick. You guys want to see some more Shartober? Yo! Look at this! Sigmar did a really cool Photoshop of this. Look at this. Bow down to the master of marble kind. Is this all gonna be the golden marble? I swear to G. Oh, what? Why is Shmaimai there? Prage, the not real is real. I'm so mad at look at these. Damn, you're all so cheeked up. God damn. I like this one so much. Holy cake. From Indus Banks to farthest star, rule forever, fast and far. Oh, this is so cute.
The master of Marblikind says, purge.
No purging. I may not like marbles, but I like your art. What the fuck is this? What is this? Shoo Mimi, it's all marbles. John Shuminion always has been. Why is he gonna shoot me? Why is he gonna shoot me? It's a little rush, but couldn't miss the joke. Give me your marbles. 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 It's the sun. It's the freaking sun. Art is about expression? Okay. Well, why is the expression you guys shooting me? Why are you guys trying to shoot me? Thank you for your Shartober entries. I love them.
Marbles.
I love them. Spirit bomb of marbles. How else do we purge? Do not purge. Because you won't give us not real, because it's not a real thing. It's not a real thing. So what's Shartober? Basically there's Inktober. Do you guys remember Inktober? Inktober?
Marbles.
You know, Inktober. And every day of October, there's a prompt for what you should draw. Shartober is a lot more lenient in terms of like. Let me just. About like whether or not like what medium to use, I guess. Did you guys hear that wow in the back? Rimini's playing the electric guitar. Why are Rhett and Link yapping? It was like the end card of a video. No. She's just playing electric guitar in the background. What the heck? Why is she so cool?
I'm in your walls.
Trust. Thank you for the alert, David. Thank you.
Good day.
Okay,
Good
so I want to make another silly redeem. Good luck, Devin. Thank
day.
you. Rimimi's so cool.
Good day.
Rimimi's too cool. Okay, but like, am I cool?
Good day.
Am I cool? Hi, Rafa. Welcome. Hi.
No.
Maybe. No.
No.
Okay.
Maybe.
Well, I don't think I'm cool.
Maybe.
Anyway, what the heck?
Maybe. Stinky.
Okay, I want to try something. Yes, you're cool.
Yes.
Thank you. Yay! Test. I want to try a new... Okay, so here's something I want to do. I want to figure out a way that can kind of like take the amount of answers in chat. Like if there's a certain number of this specific word typed in chat, then it will cause something to happen. Music's a bit loud. I'm sorry. I'll turn it down. Oh, sorry. My bad. Cancel this. Turn it down. Sorry, my bad. Is that okay? After hearing your stories, I can't call you cool. What? What stories have I said that made me seem not cool? Too quiet now? Is it actually? How's this? I overcorrected. I got too scared. Good? Okay, thank you. Okay, so here's the plan. Here's what I want to do. I want to add a certain trigger from chat messages. From overall chat messages. And then I want to be able to... I want to be able to count... I'm sorry, I can't focus. I can hear Mimi shredding. Okay, hold on. Let me put on my earbuds. I want to do... Okay, I want to do a trigger where I make it read the chat, and then from the chat, if it can have enough of like a certain word, then it will cause something to happen. You know what I'm saying? And they were Rumimis. She's really cool, dude. What the heck? Why is she so cool? She's gotta chillax. So if the chat message, for example... So, okay, I think we need a global variable for this. Let's try to make this for Doom. Okay, so people... Theoretically, let's say we can make one. If we make a variable... persisted globals. Yeah, I think globals. Add variable. If we call it Doom, a value will put it at 0. Okay. And then if we add... So if we read from the chat... Hi, Chow-mein! Hold on, let me just crop the display capture real quick. There we go. Okay, so if we do... I think if we do... Make it so that if enough people type play marbles... Don't say that.
Have a great rest of stream and an amazing night, everyone, and also have a great day tomorrow. Much love, Shun Cheer
Much
1000.
love. Thank you for 1,000 bits. That's so many. Thank you. You didn't have to do that. So sweet. I'm making you. This is you. Tars. Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you.
Good night.
Okay, so if we say logic, if input how do I say chat message? Hold on, I need to read the documents, I think. Give me a sec. Streamerbot documentation. Yeah, that's right, baby. We're reading a documentation. Yeah! Yeah! Documentation! Yeah! Reading time, yippee! Yippee! Let's see. Twitch triggers.
Let's go!
General. Oh, you can do like... Ooh. General. I just want to see, like, document these. Hello, Justy One! Thank you for the lurk. I appreciate it. Thank you. Twitch broadcaster variable. Okay, in chat, I guess? Chat message. General. Oh, okay. Emotes. Is this message a reply? Is highlight? Is action? Thank you for the lurk, Sigmar! Message ID. Raw input. Oh, the message entered! Yeah! Okay. So we do... So do we just type raw input? To my new nirvana, you got what you wanted. Tear you. No help. Okay, whatever. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. I need to move you guys. Sorry for the... I'm sorry, I keep forgetting that you guys can see the VTube studio is flashbanging. Okay. Okay, Twitch. Okay, chat message. So if we put... If... Logic. If... raw input equals doom. If true, then
Mimi, can you name some shoe outfits in addition to the following?
Yeah.
Classic, idol Mimi, cousin Mimi, annoying orange. This is purely out of academic interest and not related to any ongoing art whatsoever. I need like 8 in total.
Well, I have a cool fit coming up, but that's a secret, so I don't want to say that specific one. Classic, idol Mimi, cousin Mimi, annoying orange. Let's see. Big jacket, big pants, Mimi. That's one. Okay, I'll give you a little teaser on what the outfit is like. You would wear this outfit when you're really cozy. Cozy. Haha. Wink, wink, wink. Let's see. I guess like full-on lab coat Mimi. Oh, Shoe Wonka. Oh, a JP. Blanket Mimi. Chikawa obsessed Mimi. Yeah, Agnes Tachyon Mimi. Long lab coat arms. I really like that look. It's cute. Let's see what else. Oh, I have some outfits. Hollow Knight cloak. Angel Mimi. This is the Hollow Knight cloak. Wait, give it a sec. Give her a sec. There it is. Cute. I have cozy. I have JP. Oh. I love this song! Yeah. Taco Bell, and there was all that stress at the old Panda Express. Yeah. Okay, let me see if this is working. If we do... Bitch, you at the Pentagon! Oh, it worked! It worked! Okay, can more people type Doom all caps, please? Yeah, it's working! The value's going up. Okay, cool. Cool. So... Okay. Voice activated. There we go. This is not voice activated. Why is it in there? Okay, if I just copy... You're here to stress test? Yes. Stress testing for real. Stress testing me. I'm gonna duplicate this, and this time I'm going to disable that one. And I'm gonna move this into test. Doom test. I know she's gonna scream, God, what have you done? Your stem tetrapod, and you dance on the sound. Oh, mama, and I'm just having fun. It's where I belong down. A stem tetrapod. I'm gonna keep on dancing. I'm a stem tetrapod. I'm gonna keep on dancing. Orangia. I'm dancing. I'm a stem tetrapod. Stem tetrapod. Such a banger, dude. Okay, logic. Get input. No, that's not it. Okay, add core. If we go to, okay, get global variable. Variable name is Doom. Destination variable, we'll call it Doom count. I could make it activate the existing Doom toggle, but I want it to be separate so then like my mind is clear. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, so get the global Doom value and we put it into Doom count. And then if we add God, what have you done? And then if we go, the input is Doom count. And if Doom count is greater than, I don't know. Let's do greater than 50. Then I want to put all of these in the true result. I'm gonna keep on dancing on Laurentia. What do you mean 50? That doesn't even make sense! I'm gonna keep on dancing, I'm a STEM tetrapod. Gonna keep on dancing, Laurentia. And then after we do all of this, if Doom count is greater than 50, we do all of this,
Yes.
and then at the end, we can add, we'll set the global variable back to 0. Global set variable name Doom value 0. Theoretically, this should work. And then so if I turn this into this, we... I fucked up!
I'm gonna keep on dancing, I'm a Laurentia. I'm gonna keep on dancing, I'm a STEM tetrapod. STEM tetrapod.
I think you'll need some way to clear... No, but I did. So you have a way to clear the count from Doom to 0. Right? So, like, if it's in true... You have to clear some variables manually when they're starting. So you could add a trigger to clear them on stream start. Yeah, I do, actually. I do. So typically on stream start, I do have it cleared normally. So the only reason why I wasn't the other day, I think, is because I didn't have Streamerbot on immediately. Is it the greater than? Delays? Oh! Oh! I see. So, this should work now, right? Yeah, you're right. Enable. Okay, try. Okay. I don't understand. Get global Doom count, and then you put into Doom count. If Doom count is greater than 50... Oh, sorry.
Ooh, how cool. I certainly hope this simple voice command doesn't have some heavy mind-breaking canon event starting tomorrow.
No, probably not. Oh, sorry. Oh, I guess, like... Can you just look at the global? I think so. I just don't know. Oh, right, because the global persists, right? So then I don't need this. Like, theoretically, it persists, so then I don't need this. So I can just delete this. Right? Okay, try. Nope. If Doom is greater than 50, why is it not? If it's true, set Doom to 0. Or else do nothing. It's already like at... So the thing is, it's already at 13, which means that like it's not... So if I turn it on, technically... So theoretically, when someone sends a chat, a message in Twitch chat, then it should check if Doom is greater than 50. If Doom is greater than 50, then it will do all the things. It'll set Doom to 0. If not, it should do nothing. Hi, Dekoyimu! I don't know, like, the logic makes sense, but I feel like I'm just not understanding something. Add screen text to check your variables. Wait, you're kind of cooking. Hold on. Test. Is it compared to string 50? But then it's also... No, I think this is numbers. These are numbers. If it's a string, you would have to do something else. It's current song. This song is called Bird Brain. Oh, sorry. Okay, and then maybe we can do... Okay, add... We go to OBS. We go to sources. Set certain text. And then this scene is... We are in the arcade. And then the source I have is called text 3. Okay, change this to... Doom. Okay. So we can see what it thinks Doom is, theoretically. Actually, do I need to do this? I think I have to do that. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's try this. Can someone type something? It's working! I think it's working! Okay, wait, keep typing until it gets to 50. Keep typing Doom until it gets to 50. Okay. Huh. Okay, well now it's not working at all. What the fuck? What the... If... Doom is greater than 50, then you do these things. This is right? If the input is Doom greater than 50, then it should do the thing. Wait, global variable is... I thought that was... Oh! Wait, you're right. Wait, so then what the hell was it measuring? Why did it before work? Yeah! Wait, it worked! Do it again! Spam Doom! VIP! Spam Doom! Okay, we're at 30, 31, 32, 33. Oh, shit. Almost there. Yeah! It works! Hell yeah.
Let's go! Yeah!
Nice!
Let's go!
Nice! Okay.
Let's go!
So I think it works. Also because the text shows 51. So the second it hits 51, it will reset to 0. Yeah! We did it! Is 52, Wait, this is really nice. Oh, dude! I have so many ideas! wait. Okay. If we duplicate this, okay, and then we change a bunch of stuff, all this really needs to do is just, instead, I'll make another global variable. I'm doing this for you guys, okay? I will add a variable and I call it stinky. Value 0. Which one's the stinky? It's all lowercase. Okay, stinky.
Stinky.
Okay. So if you
Stinky. Stinky.
So if I do another one of these, so if I duplicate the test, okay, and then this one is if raw input equals to stinky, okay, then you increase the global variable stinky by 1. All right, and then if we go to this copy, here's what we could do. We'll just delete everything here in the true column. Okay, and then within true, we can add a VTube Studio action, trigger hotkey, and then we can we can put the stinky little braid. Where is it? Is it stinky? Is it this one? Is it this one? Wait. It is this one. Okay. Okay, so theoretically, if it's more than 50, it should just... So if you guys spam stinky, but it has to be lowercase stinky. It has to be exactly the little stinky. The little shoe minion stinky looking emote.
Stinky.
Can we trigger the butt shower if we type butt 100 times?
Oh, wait,
also,
that's
you
cute. I
forgot
like
to
that.
set stinky back to 0.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Wait! I forgot! Wait! Stop! Set... Oh shit! Stinky! Oh, there you go. Okay, I'm a big fan of this. Let me rename this. Let me call this stinky spam. Okay, and then this is called doom spam. This is doom. Hi Mizuki. Doom counter. Oh shit, there's an ad break.
Ruff, 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 ruff.
Ad break! Wait, is the auto add on?
Ruff, 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 ruff.
This is not a cult. Actually, Rumimi said that you guys have become more cultish lately. And I told her I don't know what she means by
Blood
that.
for the blood god, friends for the friend's throne.
Why is this not pulling? One more time, last time. You guys ready?
It's time for that moment you've been waiting for. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Niku niku.
Oh, they said Bo check offline chat.
Stop! Leave him alone!
Yeah! They said they're telling you to check offline chat, Bo.
I said not me, you It just says XDX. I think I'm a lot closer to that underpass than I imagined.
Guys, I think I'm ready to hang out with my friends. I got a can of beans for Ellie. I got 2 cans of tuna for Minnie, and I got three bottles of anti-radiation pills for Bo. Yeah. Can you guys promise that you won't judge me for what I say? I'm very broke and I could use all of the scrap.
Maybe.
Wah,
Yes, yes.
wah, wah.
Okay.
Maybe.
Wah, wah. Wah.
Ooh, ooh, notice this bulge. Is that a dragon in your pocket or are you just happy to see me? Doom. I went to Open Sauce this year and got to hang out with various codebugs and shoe minions. During one of the meetups, I met a nice man who apparently had brought his young daughter with him, which I thought was very wholesome and nice. It wasn't until... It wasn't until later that I discovered the people in question were just as in Cupid.
Wah.
How topical! That's the clip! That's the clip! Okay, I made something little for you. Guys, I need you to type I love the basement.
I love the basement. I love the basement.
Let's make it 15s.
I love the basement. 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 I love the basement.
A similar style event that puts Skullable somewhere random on the stream would be fun too.
I love the basement. I love the basement.
Let's go!
I love the basement. I love the basement. I love the basement. I love the basement. I love the basement.
I made it so that you could, if you type it enough, it'll just bring you to the basement.
Let's go!
You like that one?
Yes. I love the basement. I love the basement.
Yeah. Is this cool? Yeah?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yay! Okay, I'm gonna make it way more than 15. I'm gonna do like 100. That's too much. The thing about these is that, like, you know, I think these are fun. Could you put echo on your mic for that scene? Yeah, okay. Yes. Yes, I can. But I think the easiest way to do it is just creating a new mic. Hold on. If I just make a new mic in OBS. Never noticed the shoebotomy aftercare sign. Why do we need aftercare if it's harmless? Just some people are like, oh, my weight feels funny afterwards. And I'm like, skill issue. But also at the same time, we had a union at one point in the basement. And then, yeah, and then so we had to, like, I had to give in to some demands. Islor! Does it count over the whole stream? I think it's just, the global variable is always just there. It will always just be there.
I love the basement. I love the basement.
To remind them of unionizing? Oh, right. Yeah. You're right. Let me copy the filters from this mic and then put it into the basement mic, and then I will add a reverb on top. A shoebotomy, of course! Mwah! Okay, and then if I add... this plugin, reverb. I'm just gonna give it the default reverb. It might be a lot. Okay, I'm gonna use it, and then you tell me if it's a crazy amount of reverb. Hey, is this a crazy amount of reverb? Here, I can make the.
Yes.
Yes. Is it good for the basement though? Let's say.
Yes. 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 Maybe.
Okay.
It made my voice kind of tinny, but isn't that good though for the basement? Is what I'm saying. You know? Do you think it's good for the basement? I also made it quieter. It's like I made it quieter, so it sounds like I'm farther away. Hello, Shuminions. Hello, Shuminions. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes. Hi. Yes. Yes.
Okay, cool. So that's what we're gonna use. Let me close that one. It's a nice basement. Thanks. I'm glad you like it. Yay. Like the idea of not restarting the counter if there are large numbers. Yeah, I think also if I make it like a larger amount, then I think it's more fun. And it won't just be a lot of people spamming it every single stream. You know? It sounds like the ghost of a mosquito. What the hell? Is it really that bad? I'll double check later on. I just don't want to like... If I turn on the monitor of me hearing it, I think you guys can hear me like multiple times. Okay, I'm really excited about this, guys, because there's a lot of stuff that I feel like we can do. And it's making me really excited! I thought stream ended. Oh no, it was a bug. So for example, if like we can do, so I know I said for one of the subathon goals it was like a oh, could it be triggered by a percentage of chat messages in a certain period of time? Ooh. What if I could add a timer. I think there's timers. Queue, pending action, action history, command, platform. There is a timer system. Timers. So if we make a timer that resets all of our global variables, you know? So let's say like I don't know, 5 minutes. 5-minute timer.
Ding dong.
So I'm saying like it will always reset whatever the count is to 0. So then you have to, within those 5 minutes or however long that is, you have to say enough. Maybe I'll make it higher than 5 minutes. Maybe I'll do like 10 minutes. Interval 10 minutes, 600 seconds. Lines, I don't know, let's do 5. Okay. And then maybe we can do one that's a minute. Minute timer. Okay, and then if we enable these, and then for the actions, I think we can make a... Okay, so if I make these... Let's say we have the Doom timer. Okay, and then we'll make a separate group called timers. Okay. And then if we do add trigger, I think there is one for timer. Timed actions, yeah. Yeah! So if I want to do the Doom timer, for example, if let's say every 10 minutes, it will set the global variable back to 0. Do you think this will like crash my computer though if I have too many of these? That's what I'm worried about. It's like if it's doing all of this stuff every 10 minutes. You need a lot of these? That's the thing. How are you doing it right now? Maybe it was probably fine. Oh. Idea for percentage of messages, 2 variables. All chat messages and keyword chat messages. All chat messages increments for every message. Keyword chat message increments every time the keyword is set. If all chat messages is greater than equal to threshold. Ooh. I don't know if... I don't know if... How do I say this? I don't know if there is a way for me to... If the logic can do 2 things. Let me see. Oh wait, but you can put one inside of one, right? So you can make... You're triggering all message checkers on every message in chat. Oh, true. I should probably pause these. I don't want to, like, I'm worried. Most of these should be fine. Yeah. As I keep doing it how you're doing, play with your fun ideas. Our programmer Oshi's cookie. There has to, I mean, eventually I'll find a better way to do this. But right now, this is like the very straightforward, simple thinking logic. You know, yeah, look into different triggers. Yeah, you're right. I think there might be more stuff that could be more useful. But for now, I think this is just like really silly. Oh, the triggers page. Oh, like for, oh, Strike! What the heck? Thank you for the 5 gifted! What? I'm yanking you. This is you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Tess! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, like, check if the message is a global variable, for example. If it is a global variable, then send it along to the next thing. Ask Dragon Friends, hello. Let me just, I'm gonna pause these for now. But I have them. I want to save all of these, but I pause these for now. It's just good to know that this is a thing that you can do. What are the options on the side panel? Oh, it's commands, platforms, stream apps, services. There's a folder watcher, process watcher, credits, MIDI, voice control, and server/clients. There's no triggers. Yeah. You could check to see how intensive it is on your hardware. True. Okay, yeah. I think that's something that maybe like I should think about and like be really conscious about later on. Later on. Right now, I'm just gonna be silly. I just want to be silly. Okay, let's not enable this one. I can show you what I have for my other stuff. So for when stream starts, I send the global shocked value of defense to 0, and then a Twitch announcement, and then a create poll, which is, are you stinky today? And then raids start. Similar, good, saying a little goodbye. First time chatter. If it's the first message, then we have the first message response, which is, hi, try typing butt with no all caps, no spaces. And then for a raid, we get a knowing a raid. Yeah, and then a butt shower. I'm in the commands option. Oh, you did? This one? Wow. These are commands that I created. So, sorry, you can't really see everything. Let me move chat. These are like the commands that I've created. So things like exclamation point fence on, fence off, set wrinkles, test wrinkles, etc. Yeah. Let's see what other silly things that we can do. I think we can do a lot of silly things.
Yes.
Oh! Idea time. What if we have like a little like a redeem for like a challenge to spam as many words as possible. So everything is off all the time, but if we have a redeem through Twitch, the redeem turns on the timer of during this specific time you try to like spam as much of this word as possible to get the effect. And if it happens, yippee, success. If it doesn't, then you're cooked. But I want it to be hard, so I would make the number really, really high. You know what I'm saying? So for example, if I add a Doom timer on redeem. Group test. Yeah, add cooldowns per user via command. Oh, hello, paid chatter 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. Wow, you're so nice. Wow, you're so nice. Wow, you're so nice. Wow, thank you. Wow, thank you. Wow. Wow. Wow, thank you, wow. Wow, thank you, wow. Wow, thank you, wow. So if we did... Channel reward, reward redemption. Okay, and then we can create a reward, which is spam challenge. Okay, let's say that's what it's called. We'll make it cost something stupid, but right now it's just gonna be 1. I'm gonna pause this right now so you guys can't just spam it. And then when that happens... Wait, did I pause it? Wait, did I not pause it? I did pause it, didn't I? Oh no, I didn't pause it. Pause. Ooh, just telling you guys I paused it was enough. Hi, Delta. So if I do this, okay, and then it will start... Then it should do the thing where it does, I wonder if this will work. But this will only trigger once, so... Oh, I don't know if this is working. Can I add a way for it to, like, continuously, like, keep doing this action over and over again? That's all the time I have for stream today. Of course! Thank you so much for the fantastic stream. Thank you, you're so sweet. Good night, good night. Appreciate it. Good night, good night. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Oh yeah, intervals.
Good night.
Like, could I play a little loop? You know what I'm saying? Like, could I play like like, let's say I said I want this action to consistently play for 5 minutes. Is that possible? Try while. Oh, was that in Logic? While? But this is like while this equals this, then it can do that. A timer? Do you think there's like a different type of... Okay, cool. Timer, set timer state, timer, minute timer, state enabled. Okay. And then if the timer is not 0, right? So timer, we set the timer at a minute. No, that's a different timer. I don't really know what this means, actually. I just want internal timer. What's this playlist? This is everybody's suggestions. This is not my specific playlist. Well, timer does not equal to 0. But, like, I don't know if this timer counts as, like, a... Oh, we could try that, though. Let me see. Okay, if we did while... But I don't know if timer can just be, like... I didn't ask for the song! You guys put this in. Don't even do that to me. Because I don't think this is a... I don't know if this is a valuable timer itself. Hi, Renaxo! Hello. How you doing? I'm doing well. Hi. I'm trying to figure out how to make a very silly spam challenge. Added by Shumini. No, it doesn't! Oh, this is Nanners. Yeah, I think so. Why am I singing along to it? Why is there a spin wheel? Okay, that's not important. Sorry. Beep, 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 beep. If we go to core and then we go to quotes, miscellaneous, system, run a program, timers, triggers, voice control, sounds, signals.
Maybe.
You can create global that's set to 1 and after interval back to 0. Oh! I assume that that's what the timer does too, right? But I just don't know if like... Like, what does this... How do I use it? By default, time actions will repeat. You can have them only trigger once by untaking repeat and it'll trigger after being enabled. Time actions can even have an interval set where they occur every X seconds or a line count set. Okay, both options are set, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Can you use it? Like, save current time to a goal. Yeah. I think that's probably what we're gonna do.
Hi Shumimi Heavy question, what do you think the best card in Slay the Spire is? Also the basement is pretty cool.
I've actually never played Slay the Spire. It's always been on my wish list, but I've never played it before. What? Global timer variable? You guys are saying, what? Oh wait, I don't even need to do this. I could literally just do add. Okay, wait, adding a global variable. Is this the clown theme? Oh my god. Value, we will put this to 0. Whatever. It was a marching song originally, yeah. Actually, I'm just gonna add another action, and then this one could be the timer. Minute timer. Yeah, I think it's easier to have it separately. I agree. Okay, so if we... Oh, wait, global variable created and deleted. Wait, you can create and delete variables, so we can create a variable. Wait. Does that mean that we can create a variable whenever this becomes a thing? Am I a tech VTuber? No, I'm trying to make silly little things for stream. It's not even coding. If anything, it's what do you guys call it? Scripting? Yeah. Global. Set. But it doesn't, there's no create. Curious. MDD, model-driven development. Oh, in my lab, MDD stood for major depressive disorder. I was like, why are you guys talking about depression? Does seeing me do this make you that sad? Set a variable, which is called a minute timer, to 1. Okay, and then if we copy this and paste this, and then we can set this to 0, and then we could put a delay in the middle. A delay. Okay, and then if we want 60 seconds, that's 60, and then 1, 2, 3, I think. And then... I don't know how to trigger this. Can the trigger be another action? It surely could be, right? Core, timed actions, commands, command trigger, file IO, groups, inputs, MIDI, processes. Oh, process started, name. Okay. Oh, you want me to test it? I guess that makes sense. Okay, let's test
Hello,
to see that this
Shumimi.
works.
I hope all is going well in your studies and life.
Oh,
I
I
consider
dropped
you
out.
to be an amusing role model, as you are in a master's program and seem to be enjoying life. I am close to finishing my undergraduate degree. Also, what is your favorite bird?
I should have waited for your DTS to finish. Bird-loving fool. You're so sweet for saying that I'm an amusing role model. I don't know if I should be your role model. I actually did drop out of my master's. However, it was a good decision. It made me happy. And there was a lot of different circumstances, but I finished my bachelor's in neuroscience. So oh, they're saying, oh, no, don't lose all respect for me. My project didn't really go how I really wanted it to, and my supervisor asked me if it was something I wanted to continue. Don't call me Shumini. But I think that you will succeed very, very well. I'm really excited for you to finish your undergraduate degree. Yippee! My favorite bird. I like I think whippoorwills are goofy little birds. Welcome back from studying, and I like that they're called a whippoorwill. Apparently it's based off of what they sound like. The reason why I know that is because I was playing, I forgot what it was. Mimi and I were playing this New York Times thing where it's like something about finding words. I forgot what it was called. But one of them was like double letters was the theme. And whippoorwill was the last one we couldn't find. No, not the crossword. It was, not Wordle. It was, what was it called? It starts with S, Spangram? Yeah, spangram. Nope, strands. It's called strands, not spangram. Spangram is what they say when you succeed. They're like, spangram!
Oh.
Whippoorwill sounds like a Pokemon, doesn't it? Well, okay, speaking of Wordle, because you guys said Wordle, I want to do Wordle. I saw Minnie play Wordle, and I was like, hold on, okay. My go-to Wordle start word is peony. Fuck! Okay, the next one I go to is might.
I was your bozo.
Okay.
I was your bozo.
Okay. What about hilts? Okay. So maybe it's a TH. Birth. Uh-oh. Width? That's right! Yeah! Anyway. Wordle completed.
Let's go! Let's go!
That's right. Thank you. Praise me.
Praise me. Thank you.
Okay, let me just go to sources, set text, and then we can set this specific text. I want it to say 1. And then this one, I want it to say 0.
I just got Wordle in one trial, Bozo
Yeah, because
XTX.
you saw me solve it! That doesn't count, loser. The heck? That doesn't count. Fucking loser. Let's see. Inputs. Key press. Capture key control. Save key. Okay. Okay, let's see if this works. Alright, now after a minute, it should turn to 0. Now let's sit here and wait. Let's sit here and wait. Wait, while we're waiting, I want to show you something. Let me just close this. Let me put the 1 right in the middle right there. Stop looking at it. Stop. Okay. Don't say 1. 1. I'm hiding some stuff because I'm trying to pull up an email that I sent to myself. I want to show you something that is almost done, and I'm very excited about it. Yippee yippee yay. Oh, I think I haven't figured out a way to make it fully transparent in terms of its background yet. So let me stop it. You guys are just typing 1? This surely cannot be interesting to you. She made me be so angry if you like the email. Oh, 0! Oh, 0! Okay, guys, it worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. Okay. So this is what I wanted to show you.
Let's go!
This is what I wanted to show you. So I animated this. I don't know. I can't get it to be like a transparent background just yet. But ideally, what will happen is that when you guys check in for the stream, like you get your little wrinkle. Ideally, what will happen once I get the transparency right? This is what will happen. On the very side of the screen, a little shimenya will pop in, a little sparkle. It'll say your name and the wrinkle numbers that you have, so how many wrinkles you got, and then you'll leave again. Yeah. And ideally, it should be, if the entire background is black, it doesn't need to be transparent. I mean, I guess, but I don't know. I mean, I guess if we did... Okay, POV. Imagine that it looks like this. This is what it would look like. It pops in. It pops in. Okay, and then it goes, and then it, you'll see a little name and then wrinkle number, and then it'll get approved, and then it'll go away. And on the name, it should say, ideally, there should be text that shows your guys' name that will change depending on who checked in. So per user, it will check in, and then so it should say like for example, I don't know, Shumimi. Oh god, this is huge.
Woo!
I'll say Shumimi.
On my Chartober I wrote marble so many times, and often misspelled it marble.
Shimimi. So it should be like, it should pop up with the student ID naturally. I'm trying to figure out how to do that, but I think it'll look really cute once it's all done. Yeah, but this is what I was working on, and this is what I animated. I basically drew all the parts separately, and then I used an animation, a 2D animations software on my tablet called Rough Animator. It's pretty cute. You like it? It's good, right? You like it? It's good. It's good. You like it? You like it? It's good. It's good. You like it?
Yes.
You know what would be really cute, actually? Is I was thinking since
Yes.
I
Yes.
thank you.
Yes.
Thanks. Because a lot of other streamers, for example, Coco, they have like a, if people gift enough subs, they have like a little game that plays, or just like a little game that can play either through a command or something. And I think I could do like the actual setup for that in Streamerbot, but the little art for it, I think I can try to animate something silly. So for example, if let's say I make a new redeem where it's like I don't know, marbles. Dude, if I can animate, does your marble win the race? And then I could show a little shoe minion watching a marble around the race, and if it loses, and then it has a very specific animation for losing and winning. Kokusha gives me nightmares. A game, marbles on, not on my forehead. But I'm really excited for a lot of these things, and that's why I'm so excited about Streamerbot, and I want to show you.
You guys have freaking ruined me.
Oh?
Can't hear marble anymore without saying it in TTS voice. Also, I started saying meow meow meow, and my
Meow,
friends
meow,
have
meow.
picked it up. So imagine 5 2-meter plus Slav guys saying meow 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 one after another.
Meow meow meow. 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 I want to show you guys something real quick. I don't remember where it was. I think maybe it was in Shoe Memes. I know our Shoe Lab meeting, it's not until... Don't look at this too closely. It's not until later. It's not until later. Shh, shh, shh. This is secret. This is secret. You're not gonna look at it yet. You're not gonna look at it yet. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Don't look at it. Spoilers. 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 Shimin and Sonas? Ah! Okay. I want to show you this. Shiro made this, and Shiro absolutely cooked. But I want to show you this. Hold on, let me pause the music real quick. Hold on, let me stop the display capture. Yeah. Pausing. Okay. Shiro made this, and it's so good. And I was like, oh my god, we should make this. If, you know, of course, with Shiro's permission or something. Like, it's just really cute. Oh no, this display capture is cut off. Fit to screen. Look at this! No sound! Oh god. Okay, why is my Discord not playing any sound? Hold on, let me just turn off the display capture. I'm too scared. I'm gonna open up settings. Oh, yeah. Guys, I'm getting smarter. I'm getting smarter every day. I try really hard not to dox myself all the time, but now I'm getting better at actually not doing it. Wow. Are you proud of me? Are you proud of me?
Let's go! Hi.
Can you hear it?
Yes.
Can you hear it now?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yes. Yes.
So, what if with
Yes.
enough, if people are typing like objection or like no or anything, you are stinky. Is this so good? Because of Streamerbot, I feel like there's so many cool things that could play with like silly little triggers, you know? And I mean, like, this is also a really great just redeem in general. I love that so much. That's so good. Shiro cooked. Shiro cooked. Shiro cooked! Okay, our minute timer is now working, so... Yeah, Streamerbot is so good, dude. It's so good. It's so good. Could overrule, subtract from the objections. Oh, wait, yeah. It's like how... Oh my god, it's like how, you know, in Coco's chat, there's like skip and stay. Dude. This is how it's... Yeah, I'm learning how things are done now, guys. I'm learning how things are done now, guys. Actually, technically, we could... I'm thinking about what else we could do. Heaven forbid you learn how to do things. If I can think of... Okay, maybe we should do some brainstorming right now. So I can... Okay, alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to turn off the display capture, and instead, I'm going to open up a little notepad. Classic. Okay. Little notepad. Bap. Oh, I could draw it! Wait, you're right. Why don't I just draw it? Okay, guys. Let's draw this. Let's write this down. Let me move you, chat. Oh, you should be on top of the whiteboard. There you go. Move you over here. Do you guys like this, by the way? Do you guys like that it's like a whiteboard where I'm just it looks like I'm a little teacher, yes? Yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Welcome, everybody! Let me just move myself as well. The whiteboard actually should just be behind. There we go. Bye, Wombo. Thank you for hanging out.
Good night.
Teacher, you forgot your homework. F. Nerd. Don't call me a nerd. Oh, sorry.
Good night.
Okay, so let's talk ideas for Streamerbot, okay? So, one thing that I'm working on. So, if we do a little brainstorm, this is a brainstorm, okay? If we just do a little brainstorming together. Okay. This is a little brainstorm. You forgot your pen and paper. What do you even have? Okay. Idea number 1. We have like a timed spam. Timed spam. Let's just call it that. Da 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 da. Okay. Timed spam. This is
Teacher,
not a
I
third
forgot
eye.
my wrinkles.
You forgot them. Okay, well you can just sit in the corner for now. Oh! Wait, that's so good. Enough whas that it just... Okay, what if I call it just flood? And then, butt shower. Butt shower. You know? I like this song. This is a good song. Good for you. Good for you, you. Okay, let me see if... So, the thing about Streamerbot, it has connections to voice mod. And I actually do have a subscription to voice mod. Not a subscription. I just, like, I did the purchase reverse mod. I can change what I sound like. I think so butt shower, flood, these ones I feel like are pretty straightforward. We can kind of already do this, but I want to figure out a way to do it that is like not always counting every single message and seeing if every single message is the proper word, because then that would be like a big build up, you know? Know what I'm saying? Hi, I'm Days. Honestly, I think a lot of this is great. It just needs the actual art for it. So, for example, the wet flood, if I make like a silly little, like you said, Pep, it's just like the little no, like the one in the this guy. If we put this guy with water, right, it kind of looks like he's drowning. Hi, I'm Days. Each message with gullible in it has a really low chance of spawning gullible. Okay. Gullible.
Hi teacher, there's 2 shoe minions kissing in the back of the class.
Don't snitch on them. Don't snitch on them. Good for you. Good for you. You. Hi, we could, of course, do a classic Gamba. So we could do, like, every redeem, you have, like, a specific chance for it to spawn. But I think that's less fun than just, like, typing it, you know? I mean, of course, one big project would be, like, choose your own adventure. This is so long. I might just make it choose your own adventure. So then you guys can type something specific to choose something. So if I'm like, for example, do you pick option A or option B when it comes to this thing? Option A, let's say bank robbery. Option A, you say, everybody get on the ground. Option B, you say, I'm a big baby and I'm so scared and I can't do anything. I'm a little
Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
baby. Oh, B? Okay. Teacher, gonna go to the bathroom. Yeah, go pee. It's not just you. What the hell? No. 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 Oh, and then what if, okay, we have like similar thing to a time spam. So I think it's kind of connected to this, but it is, you're trying to like beat the clock. You know what I'm saying? So let's say you have like, the program is constantly minusing whatever it is. So let's say you want to stay in the basement, okay? You have to consistently spam, I love the basement. Otherwise, we'll go back to whatever other scene. So you have to keep spam.
I love the basement.
So it's like, it's not only like, can you spam enough in this time, but it's also, if you spam enough of this time, you have to keep spamming! So you'll stay there.
I love the basement. I love the basement. I love the basement.
Or let's say, oh wait, you know what I could, okay, wait. Now
Teacher,
this
can
might
we
not make
get
any
golden
sense.
marble somehow? Really innocent. My brain is half comp sci / work
Tornado.
information and half remembering all the fucking emotes in this fucking chat. Why is everything in this channel an emote XDX?
Thank you for your biz, Mystic. This says tornado. What if enough shoe minions spinning makes a tornado of shoe minions? You might need to do a little bit of C sharp to count messages. What if this is my intro into coding? What if I learned to code because of this? I'm like, all right, we're gonna learn to code just like make a tornado of shoe minions.
Yes.
That'd be so cute. Enough spinning, and then they'll make a tornado. Okay, and then let's see. We can make something super, super rare of. Not real is not real, but let's say, like, you know, it doesn't even fit on the board. This is how it starts. Is it? Is this how it starts? A silly, goofy ass thing? Oh, let's see what else. It would be easier if you know how to code.
Yes. Mwah, 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 mwah. Yes.
Ugh. You're right.
Wait, what
So
does
should I
that
learn
say in
C
the
sharp?
top right corner?
Plush?
Okay.
Should I? Okay, so then should I learn C sharp? No, you should learn Python. Okay, but that's what Streamerbot uses C sharp. I want to be able to learn Scratch. No, I've learned Python before. So I actually have a little bit of coding knowledge in my undergrad. I took like one intro class though. That's it. And that's all. I know assembly is a really low level language. It might be useful to learn C sharp. Okay, yeah, C sharp. Yeah, I think if I were to learn how to code, it would be C sharp. I almost said shart. Okay, let me just save this screenshot real quick before I delete this. I have this all written down. So if I were to code, yeah, Scratch does still work. I remember learning a little bit of it. So I have very intro. Hold on. Okay, this is the brain's experience with coding. Okay, coding. God, that's so... Dude, don't look at that. That's the worst writing ever. I'm writing with my mouse. Can you see into my eyes like open doors?
Shumimi assembly is a very low-level coding language, so
know.
it means it's easy to learn.
No, that's not what it
Please
means.
stream yourself learning it XDT.
I know that's not what it means. I know it means if it's a low-level coding language, that means that it is incredibly hard to learn because it's closer to the actual, like, how do I describe this? Higher languages means that it's easier for you to understand. It's farther away from the actual math. From the actual thing. Anyway, this is my coding experience. I took a level, I want to say 200 comp sci class in Python. Okay. All right. When I was a kid, I did Khan Academy. Khan Academy JavaScript. Not Java, JavaScript. Okay. And I use it to draw pretty pictures. Level 200 just means intro. It means intro. Let me write intro. Sorry. At least like at my university, it meant intro. I think
By
for
the
Canada.
way, have you heard / checked out Minecraft in its entirety coded on Scratch? You can open the site and play
what?
actual Minecraft right here and now, Lamau.
Whoa! Wait, really? That's insane. Hi, Miss Ping! Why do you need comp sci to learn about snakes? Silly. Silly. Once you know, like, 2 or 3 languages, you can work virtually anything modern and pick it up in a day, TBH. I mean, I also kind of assume that the amount of coding I would need to learn isn't too complicated, right? Like, I don't have to learn anything so crazy insane. I feel like the level... So then, with this in mind, okay, Intro to Comp Sci in Python and Khan Academy JavaScript, I'm going to tackle C#. For what purpose? To make a tornado of shoe minions. Okay. This is the goal. All right, then I think oh, OBS has a Python library to send commands to, but you don't know how it works. Hi, I see. Well, I would like to do a little bit of a coding boot camp, probably. But okay, here's my question when it comes to learning C#, because I'm learning it specifically for Streamerbot, so I could do silly redeems, right? So then should I learn the basics for C#, or should I just like have a specific task and try to do that one specifically? Thank you for the hydrate. Can I say the forbidden word? What's the forbidden word?
Good night.
Good night. Good night, Watch Coco. Thank you for hanging out. I appreciate
Good
it.
night.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good night.
Mudnado, tornado, but mud. I hate that.
Good night. Good night.
Streamerbot also uses OBS WebSockets, and the C# code actions also let you interact with it directly. Oh. Oh, interesting.
Good night.
Ask Mr. GPT for help and steps.
Good night.
I don't want to do that. I want to like learn how to... I want to learn how to do it without relying on... If I were to ask somebody, I would ask like somebody who codes. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You heard of Sharknado? Get ready for a shark. Get ready for a Sharknado.
Today's coding adventure is funded by my good friend
No, it's
XDX
not.
David McNeil, CEO of WeatherTech
No,
by
it's
WeatherTech.
not. Okay, all right. So, you know what? Hold on, let me save this screenshot again. I think it's time to start the boat series. If you're wondering what the hell is the boat series, okay?
Let's go.
If you're wondering what the boat series is, this is a silly little idea that I had with Rumimi that I was gonna do, which is the boat series. It stands for brainiest of all time. Brainiest of all time. Yeah, this song is great. Hi, Thrashleys.
Could you do some kind of Ellie teaching me how to code?
Yeah,
Collab-
so I would actually like to do that. That'd be really fun. I have to ask Ellie what languages she uses. But basically, the concept of brainiest of all time is that I love to learn. I really like to learn new skills, and I feel like it's always really cool to be like a jack of all trades and just knowing a lot of different things, right? And then before, I didn't really have time for all of this stuff because I had to do my master's, blah, blah, blah. So I never learned how to code. I never learned how to watercolor, all these different things. So I'm picking up a lot of new skills recently, and I feel like maybe this is a good time to actually start it. Because the two major things that I wanted to do, for example, so it would just be learning new skills or getting better at them. So the main ones I really wanted to do, like really improve on, is art. Okay, art and coding. These are the main ones I wanted to improve on. Also because by way of being a VTuber, these two are really, really important for VTubing. So there are a lot of other things on the little docket, but I think we should start the brainiest of all time series. So it would be a bit more structured. So I would have a I would have some specific goals, okay, for what I want to do. So let's say if my goals for the art section of this, right? It would be I want to, I don't know, I want to paint like a character. Maybe I want to draw Rumimi, okay? But I want to be able to do it with good fundamentals. And I would count it a success if, like, for certain things. So, like, good fundies for art and maybe, like, color theory. Like, these are things that I would want to improve on. And I would want to learn them on stream with everybody, you know? So, like, honestly, the reason why you got into fighting games is because of your learning new skills. Yes! Yes! So, like, that's how I felt. I honestly owe a lot of it to Sajam. Thank you, Sajam. Hi, Abdum. Because I really, really loved learning everything about fighting games and learning how to actually fight in a fighting game. Because I played them a lot when I was a kid, but I never really learned anything. And so, like, I think it's really, really cool, and I want to be able to do more of that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I guess training arcs. The training arc to be the brainiest of all time, whatever that means. And so maybe next week we will try. Maybe next week we can try starting. What is fundies? Oh, fundamentals. Sorry, that's what it's called in fighting games. Fundies. So I'm thinking maybe for like boat, we could do two running at the same time. So I think one can be something like a skill, okay, and then the second one could be like a game, like a difficult one, for example. So I thought funnies were the sexy. I never met a candy. That's different. For example, okay, guys, I think next week, I've got streams kind of planned out because the skill that I want to do, I want to learn how to code. So we could do Streamerbot stuff, C#, okay? And then for a game, in terms of, like, not make a game. I mean, that could be a future goal. But anyway, for a game, I think something like a fighting game would be a really good... Fighting games are all really good to learn. I think, like, that or, like, a Souls-like game is pretty good. Or speedrunning. So I'm thinking either a fighting game or Souls-like... let me just write it. Souls-like or a speed running. Why C# specifically? Because I mean, Silksong, I also think it's like a. I also think Skong is a difficulty curve. But I think, like, when it comes to... I would have to set a goal for whatever it is, right? What? Ask Sajam about 2XKO. 2XKO is a really big one that I really want to play. I want to play Skong. I want to play 2XKO and I want to play Skong. So I think next week we'll do a bit more gaming because this week we mostly yapping. And then I want to learn how to code. And the reason why, if you're asking why C#, it's because we were trying to make a silly little, we're trying to make silly little code in Streamerbot, or like a silly little script in Streamerbot, but then some stuff I feel like we can't really get, and then there is an option for execute C# code. That is my motivation for learning C#, but if you can give me a better reason why I should learn, like, C++ or something else instead, then I will do that. But I think I'm most motivated to learn if it's of practical use to me. So, will we do movie night someday? Yes! Yeah, C# is immediately useful for you now. Yeah, because I think if I learn a language that I'm not, like, super interested in, or I guess, like, if I try to learn a language that has no very, like, immediate use for me, I will not have the same kind of spark and motivation. Because I know that, what is it? My dad, I think, has always told me it's either C# or C++. One of those is, like, the main one used for game engines. I don't remember which one, because I remember asking my dad, I was like, if I want to make a game, what do I use? C#. Yeah! Okay, cool. Both really? Unity uses it? Okay, cool. Because like in biology, you know, in a lot of different sciences, we learn Python because that is like a really good. Python's a really good base and helps a lot with like stats and just like pretty basic coding. That is enough to cover everything. For like bio, you can make programs that help you like run data. That is really useful. And Python, I feel like, at least like from what I've heard from other programmers, correct me if I'm wrong, it's pretty easy to pick up. Yeah, learn German. Wait, but that's actually another skill. I want to do a lot of silly brainiest of all time, and then yeah, Sophia runs on Python. Yeah, I know that Python can do a lot of stuff. I just like I don't really know the intricacies and the differences, to be honest. But yeah. Let me go to the bedroom attic. I want to just kind of yap for a bit. Why was I muted? What the heck? Sorry. Why the hell was I muted? Hey. Yeah, I just wanna come back over here to yap a little bit longer. Yeah, so that's kind of the goal for Brainiest of All Time, Boat. And so it would just basically be trying to learn a bunch of different things, trying to give myself a deadline. So for example, you know, if let's say my goal for, let's say I start like officially start learning how to code, right? And I say the Brainiest of All Time series part 1, learn how to code. I would have a timeline, so for how long I give myself to learn as much as I can, and like a sizable project that I can do.
Not Shumimi dropping out just to study more, but on stream XDX lovers.
But honestly, it's so lovely because now I have time to study other things, you know? That makes me so happy. I'm so happy that I can study other things, you know? Yeah, start tiny and go bigger. I think we'll do some different steps. I still have to think a little bit about the actual format of like the boat concept. So it's not just like, hey guys, I'm doing this now. You know, I want there to be like little milestones and little check-ins. And maybe I'll make like a little, you know how like scouts have badges? You know how scouts have badges? I want like, what if I make myself a little system where it's like, if I get this, then I make myself a little badge. Yeah. So much more fun to learn stuff on your own instead of being forced to. Yeah, I mean, honestly, in my school, you know, I really did love learning things, but it was because masters are a bit different in terms of research. But I also really love. I just like learning stuff. Learning something that you're interested in, dude, that is so fun. Learning something that you genuinely are interested in is like the best feeling. It's the most fun, and like the amount of like fulfillment that you get from learning about that, banger, real and true. Yeah. Especially if it's like a skill, you know, that you can like physically show off. I feel like it's so fun to see like yay. Yay. I love learning, hate school progress. It's so slow. Yeah, I think also if you're learning on your own, you can learn on your own at your own pace, right? Because sometimes, for example, there were some classes where like, you know, I would understand a concept, but then we would like sit on it for a bit longer, which was fine because everybody needed you know, everybody needs to like, understand before they can continue. But I would be like, I could just spend this time doing something else. A lot of classes felt like a waste of time for me because I was like, I don't know. I was like, I can learn this really quickly, and then like I'm just like it's going at like such a snail's pace that I'm getting frustrated. And so honestly, that actually ended up with me learning less every single class. Most classes I didn't really listen, and then I would learn everything like. I would watch the lecture at 2 times speed when I got home because that was the pace I wanted to learn at. And then I just couldn't lock in, you know, I just couldn't lock in. I needed to like, I got so used to listening to my professor's voices at 2 times speed. It was weird when I slowed it down. My teachers would hate me because I would finish my homework in class while they were still lecturing. Yeah, exactly. And then it's like, okay, well, why are you, you know, why are you getting mad at me that I'm finishing my homework? Shouldn't you be proud that I'm doing like so much work? You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, come on. Yeah, I think like I was especially annoyed at this when I was even younger, because like I remember when I was, I don't know, in like 7th grade or something, I would spend all math class just doing the math because the concept was really straightforward, and then I would just do all the homework, and then afterwards I just do nothing. I'd write a short story. I'd do anything else but math. And then my teacher was like, you know what? I'll make like an accelerated math club, okay? And yeah, I joined math club. I did. But I didn't like math club because the accelerated math club, instead of being accelerated math, it ended up becoming a tutoring club to tutor people who needed more math help, which is totally fine, except I was going there to learn more math, not repeat the same concepts that I already was sitting through class understanding. I'd be okay if like I signed up to be a tutor. I was like, I did not sign up to be a tutor. I signed up to learn, not to teach. I Brady's Oshi. Yeah, not the right club. I was really excited about it at first because there were also like math competitions. Basically, I was like, oh, is this gonna be like mathletes? It was not. Hi, Ren. I thought it was gonna be like, oh, let's all just like do really, really. Yeah, I wanted like honestly, yes, I kind of wanted mathletes. And now I don't really like math. Okay, guys. I think I want to end stream now. Not beating your nerd allegations. I'm taking it. If I'm starting a series called Brainiest of All Time, I'm going to be bringing it. Hi, Sean. Hi, Aaron. I think David was a mathlete. That makes sense.
Okay.
That tracks. It's almost been 6 hours. So,
Okay.
yeah, I should probably head out. However, let me just say real quick. Post brainstorm on boat is good. Yeah. Okay. Let me just go to the ending screen real quick. We're gonna go raid Ellie. Yay! I never really get to raid Ellie. Yay! Ellie is making a silly little game. So she's actually doing dev. She's actually doing game dev, software and game dev. She's making a silly little game. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh my god, it looks so good. Sorry. Spoilers. Be quick. Is she ending stream?
Hi.
In 5 minutes! Uh-oh.
Hi.
Can you tell her not to end stream? Don't end stream! Okay, real quick.
Hi.
Let me go to my ending screen real quick before I tell you what the thing is. Okay, really quick, She-Minions. Stream tomorrow has been pushed to Sunday. I'm letting you know right now because... So, yes, originally I had a stream planned tomorrow, but my grandma will be home alone, and I want to make sure that she's like, you know, my grandma's like 86. I want to keep her company, and she's been like, I want to go outside by myself. And I'm like, I don't want my grandma, who's 86 with a little bit of dementia, to go outside alone, where she doesn't speak English. So, yeah. So it'll be on Sunday instead. I think I planned it for Sunday. Yeah. And then we're gonna do what we originally planned, which is the Shoe Lab meeting, show and tell, stuff like that, and then also do Mimi You Laugh You Lose. So if you still have some time to submit some You Laugh You Lose clips if you want, put it in the right thread. Thank you. Don't say just like me, I don't have dementia. Okay, let's go raid Ellie. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye. Hell yeah.